So I'm gonna make this one build a wheel that we can pump the water from this pipe. This is derived from the motor that I pump every day to my house, and I divide it to a free pipe here. So I will make a pump, just a normal PVC pipe, and I just use this one and this one to connect with the. So in this case, I will just make sure that it is suitable for adult to pump it every day, like exercise. So I just put this level. So this level is suitable for me to pump. So I may cut like this side, and this one I will cut. So let me cut it out of the way. So I use this one to cut it. Okay, so now I'm gonna connect with the pipe. I will assemble of this pipe. So this one is a bit. This is very important here. Make sure that it's not leaking. The air is not leaking. If leaking, it won't start at all. It won't work at all. So if you do this, please be sure to do carefully in this point. You can put more inside like this and start to insert it from here. Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do? Disconnect this one, but if we don't have anything, we have to cut this one to put inside. Oh my god. To put inside. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna cut this one. Okay, just short one. And this one be in touch with this one. Okay. Same things, this one, make sure waterproof and airproof for this one. Okay. Alright, so the next we're going to connect with this one and with the pipe from the wheel, the water pipe. So, okay, so I connect this one first. Got it. It is full. It is good, this one. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is connect to the pipe. Here. Pipe here. Just connect like this. And we can pump right away. Let's see how it works. Connect this one. I need to put the glue to apply the glue here and there. So apply the glue. Okay. Some glue here around here. Make sure it's not leaking the air. Okay. And some is here. Oh my god, my glue is almost finished. But it's okay, so I have applied over there, and some here. So I hope it works. This one already, but my camera is watching to the another side. So my wheel almost ready for pump on the water. It's clear right now. This one we call this one like this. Okay, firm. Okay, so make sure this one is well screwed. Make sure it's firm. This one is like this. Okay. So this one is too long, so we're gonna put just this one here, and I'm going to put it here. So we need to fill in the water at the first time. So we fill in the water. Once I fill in, we pump it at the first time. Make a bit hard. very low.